Imagine a world without traffic lights, road signs, or even proper streets. That's where it all began. In the next few minutes, we'll travel through 2,000 years of traffic evolution, from ancient pedestrians to autonomous vehicles. Let's go. Pedestrian and pack animal era, 1st to 5th century. Main transport, walking, donkeys, horses, camels. Roads were mostly dirt paths, with paved Roman roads as the exception. Traffic rules? Hardly any. The rule of thumb, yield to the stronger or higher status traveler. Rome introduced early prototypes of traffic regulation, one-way streets on narrow roads, daytime restrictions for heavy carts. For its time, a revolutionary concept, traffic as something organized rather than chaotic. Horse and cart era, 5th to 15th century. After Rome's fall, roads deteriorated but transport evolved, riders, carts, noble carriages. Cities grew denser, and conflicts on streets became common. Written rules were rare, but towns started introducing local regulations, traveling only during certain hours, passing on narrow streets, priority to mounted riders over carts. Essentially, traffic relied on instincts and social hierarchy. Carriage and urban era, 16th to 18th century. Europe's cities expanded, and carriages became widespread. For the first time, systematic traffic rules appeared. Speed limits in city centers. Prohibition of night travel without lanterns. Fines for collisions. First traffic regulators, precursors to police. Roads became places of law, not just strength. Industrial era, 19th century. Transport diversity exploded, trains, bicycles, early steam cars. Governments introduced national traffic rules. In Britain, the Red Flag Act required a person walking in front of early automobiles waving a red flag. Traffic signs, speed regulations, and early road inspectors appeared. Roads started to function as structured networks, not chaotic paths. Automobile era, 1900 to 1950. Cars became widespread, and the need for universal traffic rules became clear. Traffic lights, standardized road signs, lanes, driving licenses. Roads were transformed into organized systems, paving the way for modern traffic. Mass motorization era, 1950 to 2000. Cars dominated the world. Classic rules emerged. Seatbelts mandatory. Pedestrian crossings. Speed limits. Road markings. Radar enforcement and fines. Standardized traffic signs globally. This was the golden age of conventional traffic regulations. Digital and intelligent era, 2000, present. Today, transport includes electric cars, hybrid vehicles, delivery drones, autonomous cars, and AI-assisted traffic systems. Traffic rules now adapt to technology. Cameras and automated enforcement. GPS and online navigation. Smart cities with pedestrian zones and bike lanes. Regulations for autonomous vehicles. For the first time in history, traffic rules respond not only to people, but to technology itself. Over 2,000 years, humanity went from yield to the stronger, to laws, technology, and global standards protecting every participant. And the 21st century? Only the beginning. Autonomous vehicles, AI traffic management, and smart infrastructure promise the next evolution of our streets. Thanks for watching. See you soon, friends.